Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we've got the Insta360 One RS. Insta360's brand new action camera. In here we've got the 4K boost lens and the 360 lens. This is the twin edition. Now Insta360 have sent me this to review, but this is not a sponsored video. It's initial look. We've got other products from Insta360 coming in the future as well. So if you're new to the channel, please make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss those future uploads. New tech videos every single week. So we're going to be testing this extensively over the next few weeks against a GoPro and against other action cameras to see how it stacks up. But in this video, let's open it up, see what you get in the twin edition and what it's all about. I'm really excited about this because it's the first time I've actually seen or played with a modular action camera like this Insta360 One RS. Let's open it up, see what it's all about. Let's go. Okay, so this is what you get in the twin edition. We've got, first of all, the battery itself, which is the new battery, the improved battery over the 1R. It's 20%, about 20% better, so that's always a welcome feature. And that's sort of the base of the camera. The other bits click into here. Now I've got to figure it out myself because, like I said, I haven't used one of these cameras before. I'm a real big fan of the Insta360 One X2. The 360 footage from that is amazing and it's lots of fun, so I'm hoping this is going to be just as good. We've got the new core, which includes the screen on the back and the new improved computer inside, which just makes things a lot faster and snappier, improves the stabilization as well. So very impressed to see this. Okay, this is the core and the 4K boost lens in there. It's an f2.4 16mm equivalent. So let's just take this off. So, does it just sort of, oh, okay, so it just sort of pops apart and you literally click it together. Okay, we've got a little warning on the side here, which is SD card cover can be pulled out and reinserted when using the One RS underwater. Make sure to properly insert and close SD card cover. Okay, so it's waterproof as well, this camera. So I'm guessing the SD card goes in the side of this. It does indeed, along with the USB-C charging, which is brilliant. They actually do send you with every camera a 64GB SD card. It's a Insta360 own brand one. It's not like a SanDisk Pro or anything like that, but it's gonna get you started with this camera, which is brilliant. Now, I've got the 360 lens in here as well, which is another mod. All these mods, if you just want to buy the basic version of this, you can do. You just get the 4K boost lens and then you can add these as you go along. That's what's great about this camera, is you can start off small. You can buy the basic version with just the 4K boost lens and then we can add stuff as we go along. So let's get this off here. And if you want to add 360, they also do a 1-inch Leica lens, which is amazing. We're going to test that out in the coming weeks as well. That's on the way, and hopefully they'll be bringing out different lenses in the future. So that's the 360 lens there. It's got obviously the two lenses either side, so you can record in 360 degrees. Recording in 360 is amazing. It's a lot more fun to edit in post, put it that way, than just a basic normal action camera. This, of course, as well can shoot in 6K. There is a limit on the stabilization, which is a bit of the caveat I mentioned before, but 6K in an action camera, I've seen some of the footage already. It looks phenomenal. So we'll, of course, test that out as well in future videos, so stay tuned. So this is the modular bit, and then obviously this goes on here like this. So the battery clips on the bottom, just like that, and we're done. We're ready to go. Let's take that bit off the front. And this is the modular design. You can use it, normal 4K camera, doing action, sports, or whatever. There's a bunch of different mounts which we'll test as well. A bunch of different accessories. You can vlog with it as well with the USB-C mic adapter, have a wireless mic on there, loads of different options, and we'll test everything out, like I said. So let's just get this off. How do we get that off? Oh, there's a little like switch on the side. You hit across and that drops off. Let's just pull these apart. Let's put the 360 camera on. So you want to record some 360 footage. Of course, the fittings are going to be in the bottom. Gets together, clips on, and you're away with 360 footage as well. Small screen on the back. That is one thing that they did mention on previous versions, but you have got a screen there, which is brilliant. And yeah, when you can use it obviously as a selfie screen as well for vlogging, which is brilliant. Let's try turning it on. We've got battery. We have got battery, the little ding there, formatting SD card, and we're away. We'll set that up in just a little while. Let's see what else you get in the box with this kit. This is the twin edition, remember. In here, I'm hoping we've got a charging lead, of course, USB-C charging lead, so we've got that there. Oh, and it does come with the case as well. I didn't think it came with the case. Brilliant. So we've got the case in here. We've also got a lens guard for the 360 camera, which you need to protect these. I recommend that you do buy the lens, sticky lens protectors that actually stay on the lens and not just have this guard on, because I have actually had a bit of an incident with my Insta360 1X. When I was riding the bike, it just went face plant into dirt, and yeah, you will scratch the lenses. So get some lens guards. And then this is a case. They've designed this case. This is all new, because before that was another one of the things where you couldn't use the Leica lens on this because you had to. Well, you could, but you had to put it in, then you put the case in, and you take the lens off before you wanted to take it out of this case. They've all designed this. It's now a side switch. It opens from the side there, so you can just slide the camera in from the side. So let's do that. Let's get this in here. And that's the case. So that is what you get with the twin edition. You've got the 360 mod, you've got the core, you've got the battery, of course, a new battery, 20% better. You've got the 4K boost lens, which you can shoot 6K with, the new one. So that is a first impression look at the Insta360 One RS. Like I said, I'm going to be testing it extensively over the next few weeks, so please make sure you subscribe and don't miss any uploads. We've got lots of exciting stuff coming up over the next few weeks, so stay tuned. I'm off to play with my new camera. Really excited about this, and yeah, if you want to check out these guys, there will be a link in the description down below. That is an affiliate link. It helps this channel grow if you do purchase through that link. This is a really incredible camera, and we're going to be testing it out, like I said, over the next few weeks. Stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one though, guys. Take it easy. See you soon. Bye.